Crafters! Welcome back to my channel Because I'm Crafty. My name's Caitlin and today I'm going to show you guys a quick little overview of my Me Made May. Show you guys the top 5 things that I learned. Now in no particular order, here's number 1. I made a lot of floral and bright colored items and need to supplement those with more basics and neutral colors to pair them with. Number 2, I clearly like to mix fancy with casual. I find creative ways to wear my fancy pieces instead of just saving them for special occasions. Number 3, there are still some items that need adjusting to be just right. Number 4, there are still lots of me-made makes that didn't get worn due to the weather. I'm making a point to wear them now that it's warmer. And number 5, my co-workers now expect all me-made outfits and tease me when I'm not wearing all me-made. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little lookbook of all my me-made outfits. If you want to get a closer look at them and you're following me on Instagram and you missed them during the month of May, I do have a little highlighted circle of all my outfits that I wore in the month of May. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know it's super late and I didn't mean to make it so late after May, but it's just kind of how it worked out. So I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next one, crafters. Bye!